Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can sign out of Twitter account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead, open up a little Twitter app right over here. Then make sure you're logged in with the correct account which you would like to simply sign out of. Then you're going to tap on your profile icon on top left corner, likewise right over here. And then you're going to simply scroll to the bottom and tap on this option of settings and privacy. Then from over here you're going to tap on this option of your account. Now you will find this option of account information right on top. There you go, you will find this option of logout at the bottom. All you have to do is tap on it and tap on logout again, and that's it. You are successfully logged out of your Twitter account, and you can do that to as many accounts as possible as you get logged in inside your Twitter app itself. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.